Previous class, we have seen voltage shunt feedback amplifier. So voltage shunt feedback amplifier also called trans resistance amplifier and also called shunt feedback amplifier. Here we are taking voltage sampling and current mixing, that is shunt mixing, also called current mixing. You derived gain with feedback. So gain with feedback reduced by the factor 1 plus beta AV. This class we are going to see about input impedance with feedback and output impedance with feedback. So now input impedance with feedback. So input impedance with feedback is RIF. So to find input impedance and output impedance, we have to replace this amplifier with H parameter equivalent circuit. So here we have Ri. So current flowing through Ri is Ia and voltage across Ri is Va. So next you have Is here, and here you have feedback and IF. Feedback network beta is equal to IF by V naught. Here we have voltage sampling. So we have dependent voltage source here whose magnitude is this transconductance gain into this input transconductance into Ia. So AR into Ia. Here we have current type of mixing. So current flow is Ia. So AR into Ia. This is voltage source. So you have to use series resistance R naught. So output resistance is output resistance R naught. Then you have load resistance RL. So here you have V naught, I naught, V naught and I naught, V naught, I naught. So to find input impedance, we have to assume output voltage, output is 0. So either output voltage, we have to make output voltage 0 or output current 0. Here we are having output voltage sampling. So we have to make output voltage is 0. So to find input impedance, make V naught 0 by making RL 0. So RL 0 means short circuit the output. So if you are short circuit the output means you will get V naught is equal to 0. And RIF. So initially I am assuming Ri. Input impedance of amplifier is V by I, voltage to the current. Here we are having VA by IA. So input resistance without feedback. Similarly, I am assuming R naught is equal to, sorry, RIF is equal to input resistance with feedback. So input resistance with feedback means we include this current source also. So you will get V by I. Here we are having IS to the VI. IS to the VA. Sorry, here we have current source IS. So VA divided by IS is input impedance. Input impedance with feedback. Input impedance with feedback. So apply KCL at input side. So again apply KCL at input side. Input side you have three currents. Incoming current is IS, outgoing current IA plus IF. So IS equal to IA plus IF. So RIF is equal to VA by, instead of IS substitute IA plus IF. Then replace IF with beta V naught. So VA by IA plus beta V naught. Again replace V naught with we know that AR is equal to V naught by IA. So your V naught is equal to AR into IA. So you will get RIF is equal to VI by IA plus beta into AR IA. So VI, take IA is common and you will get 1 plus beta AR. So VI by IA is R I. VI by IA is RI divided by 1 plus beta AR. So in case of trans resistance amplifier or voltage shunt feedback amplifier, input impedance with feedback is reduced by the factor one plus beta AR. Reduced by the factor 1 plus beta AR. So next we are going to find output impedance with feedback. Output impedance with feedback. So to make that parameter output impedance with feedback. So output impedance feedback is R naught F. So to find output impedance, we have to make input source 0. Either we are making input current 0 or voltage 0. Here we are having current type of mixing, so shunt mixing or current type of mixing. So we have to make current input current source 0. So Is equal to 0 and assume RL tends to infinity. RL tends to infinity, which means RL is disconnected from source. So இந்த place என்ன பண்ணிருங்க, open condition assume பண்ணிக்கோங்க. open condition assume பண்ணிக்கிறேன். So இதுல உள்ள voltage V ன்னு வச்சுக்கிறேன். இதுல flow ஆற current I. So RL is disconnected from source. Now your V0 is equal to V and current flowing through R0 is I. Here voltage is I R0. Your R0 is equal to V by I. Impedance looking from this terminal. Impedance looking from this terminal is R0. So R0 is equal to V by I. So apply. Here we are using voltage sampling. So apply KVL at output side. So you gave 3 voltage V, IR0 and ARIA. So this is following potential. V is equal to IR0 plus AR II. Next replace IA with we are assuming IS 0. So we know that IS equal to IA plus IF. If IS 0 means you will get IA is equal to minus IF. So instead of IA substitute A minus IF minus IA minus IF. Next replace IF with beta V0, IR0 minus AR beta V0, V plus AR. So in beta V0 we are assuming V here, so your beta also IF by B alone. So IF by B alone, IF is equal to beta V. AR beta V is equal to IR0. So we are taking Vs common, 1 plus AR beta is equal to IR0. V by I is equal to R0 by 1 plus AR beta. Sorry, V by I is equal to R0 by 1 plus AR beta. So in case of trans resistance amplifier, gain output resistance with feedback is reduced by the factor 1 plus beta AB. So output impedance reduced by the factor 1 plus beta AB. So inference ARF. So gain with feedback is equal to AR by 1 plus beta AR RIF is equal to RI by 1 plus beta AR. R0F is equal to R0F by 1 plus beta AR. So in case of voltage and feedback amplifier, ARF, RIF, R0F reduced by the back factor 1 plus beta into AR times.